What's up, everybody? J Styles, all things styles, back like I never left. If you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Yes, that does help the channel grow. Today's video is going to be a real quick one. Just want to give a shout out to Joe from the Vinyl Stand, aka Heart and Hustle. If you guys are not familiar with Joe, check him out here on YouTube. Real good guy. The link will be in the description below. Joe is the owner of the Vinyl Stand. He started out here on YouTube like most of us, you know, just this heat pressing a dream, aka Heart and Hustle. But yeah, so he sent me out this vinyl. I was looking forward to this vinyl. It's going to be your B-Flex Gimme5. It's going to be a 4-second press at 285 degrees. So we're going to try it out, some different materials, fabrics. We're going to, you know, put us through its courses. So it's going to be some black here. We got some gold. We got your West Coast blue, aka, well, nah, that's just what it is. We got some red, some yellow. Basically, you know, your primary colors. We got some white. So we'll be using this throughout the week. You know, you guys stay tuned. We'll let you know what we think about it. Like I said, in the meantime, you guys can also let me know what you think about it. If you guys have tried it out already, if not, you know, you're using it for the first time, or, you know, want to do it for the first time, use the link below. And yeah, before we get out of here, as always, shout out to the squad: Mike T's, 12 Gun Apparel, You Dig Lifestyle, You Dig Design. Also, on behalf of myself, J Styles, and the constituents, you guys be kind. And speaking of kind, where are my manners? How's it going? Yeah, it was just yesterday. I mean, a lot can happen in a day. You could have won a lotto. Did you by chance? If so, feel free. All donations. P.O. boxing. Not just kidding. But yeah, just wanted to get on here, just check in with you guys real quick, share this vinyl with you. B-Flex, Gimme5 Vinyl Stand. The link's in the description below. And I'll catch you guys sometime this week.